All right, out here in the big city, we got the Sneaky Tuned Stage 2 GTI. I don't know if we call it Stage 2, but E30 mix. Cobb access port, zoom in on that. And yeah, we're gonna have a friend over here go ahead and rev it up for me. Go. Sounds real nice. Keep revving it. It's got a CTS catless downpipe. Stock exhaust, drop-in air filter, and front mount intercooler. Crackles a good amount, but nothing too crazy to where you get unwanted attention. And it's easy to silence too. If you don't want it too loud, you can always disable it. Okay, pop the hood. We're gonna pop the hood right now. We're gonna see how it sounds on the intake side. Okay, let me turn on the flash. All right, go rev it. Drop-in filter. Nice. All right, guys, and now we're gonna go ahead and take it inside the tunnel, and we'll see how she do. Take it for a quick run somewhere in this closed location, on the closed course down in Mexico, across the world. I don't know, but we'll take it somewhere. And I'll go ahead and see you guys over there once we're at the tunnel. All right, let's go ahead and put this shit into sport mode. Change that there, press this, hit X, and here we go. Traction off.